I have Rongrong's release for July to share with you today. Gentle Focus Collection, plus her August monthly subscription, My Comeback Era. Welcome back. I'm Tina from It's a Wonderful Plan. As a member of Rongrong's design team and an affiliate, I was sent these items to share with you. All right, we are going to look at Gentle Focus first. There are 3 items that are part of this collection. There is a journal and there is also a PET tape. I think that this is a great collection if you struggle with concentrating on things. The sticker book is designed to be very calm. It's got like beautiful watercolors in here. You could see the beautiful soft like lavenders and greens in here, blues and the neutrals. And we have 3 tasks to focus on. Start here box. We have these beautiful hand illustrated girls in here that Rongrong always has in her premium sticker books. Breathe first. This girl sitting here drinking her tea, a brain dump sticker, and then 3 tasks to focus on again. Small steps still move. When I have energy, we have this full illustration box here, and then we have a lot of functional boxes here dedicated to just today's focus. For some of them, must do. Use in your planners or your journals just to kind of help you focus on what is most important for each day. Would be nice. Future me. I love these beautiful florals. They're so pretty. We have another brain dump here. Me time. This lady here drinking her tea would be nice. Some more today's focus, brain dump. Today is a fresh page. Then there are some trackers in here. These are all paper stickers. There's hydration trackers, mood, and then there are more of those. And then these have one thing only boxes. So really to help us just really kind of focus on one thing, because when you have a lot going on your mind, it gets very like cluttered, right? So getting it down on paper, and maybe like a brain dump is perfect to get like all of the things on your mind down on paper, but picking out what you want to focus on in that brain dump. 10-minute tasks, one thing only. So these are, again, designed to just put in your planner to help you focus on one thing for 10 minutes, because lots of times you can get things done in a short amount of time, but when you have a very long to-do list, you feel very overwhelmed. You're not sure, where do I start? What do I need to do first? What's the most important thing? We've got a lot of strip stickers here. Overstimulated, low dopamine day, need a reset, hydrate, snack time, and then we have repeats here. And then there's some little dot bullets at the bottom there. This has got a shutdown routine, start up ritual, before you scroll, after work brain, wind down, and then we have some repeats here. So these are designed for you to put in your journals, in your planners, to help you. What is your shutdown routine, right? How do you need to like wrap up maybe your day at work or just your day in general? What you need to concentrate on every night, like maybe washing your face before you go to bed, what brushing your teeth, flossing, maybe taking nighttime medication, or having a designated like bedtime. Okay, startup ritual, the same thing. Everything you need to do to get you going for the day, because sometimes I know I feel that way. Sometimes I work for myself and I work from home, and sometimes that like really overlaps a lot. And if I make sure that I have a startup ritual in the morning, it really helps me have a much more productive and focused day. This is a 15-minute sprint tracker. So it's beat the timer. So what are you going to tackle within 15 minutes? Set that timer, and go ahead, and that's what you are going to concentrate on. You are not going to be sidetracked with anything else. Anything else can wait that 15 minutes until you get done with that task. We've got some must-do boxes here, and then there's the Pomodoro timer. So this one is really important because this is another focus exercise, and it is very helpful. I find this very helpful for myself. 25-minute focus time. So within that 25 minutes, you are going to pick something that you're going to work on, and then you are going to give yourself a 5-minute rest after that 25 minutes. After that 5-minute rest, then you're going to tackle the next things that you're going to work on for the next 25 minutes. So you're going to repeat that 4 times, and then that way you will find yourself more focused. That's what is meant to do. It's meant to help you become just a little bit more focused on that long to-do list, right? Here are some already made clusters, which are always nice. And we've got like this like watercolor sticker down here. And now we're moving into just like more decorative elements in this book. So we've got some washi strip, and these are also on washi paper. So we have this really pretty floral, it's kiss cut. Let me just grab it here. Sorry, I want to make sure I show you. See how pretty that is? I love that. And I love the washi paper. I have really liked working with that. And we have all of the girls here. And then, of course, some beautiful patterns and like watercolors here. These are some more like just light florals. Now we are into some clear stickers. Breathe in calm, breathe out chaos. And we have stay focused, results will follow, focus, and then just like all of the calming elements that we want to bring in to our like everyday, right? Find your focus. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do today. I am so guilty of that. I know that we all are. It might be something really simple, and you might tell yourself, I'll just do it tomorrow. But you know what? Just get it done, right? Just get it done. Me time, be gentle with yourself. Pause without guilt. Breathe, reset, refocus. Don't forget, write it down. And then we have all the beautiful girls here just doing like calming, exercising, breathing, journaling, drinking tea. Begin, breathe, find your center. This full illustration, so pretty. Keep going, keep growing. Move at your pace. Nice tub here. We have some alphabet stickers, and these are all kiss cut, but these are on paper. Then we have another page of washi strips. All of the girls here. They're so pretty. Look at how beautiful they are. And then this is a paper page of just like all these strips here. This is a cutout. And then the last page is another page of small little strip stickers with different quotes on here. 5 minutes is enough. Breathe first. Tiny win. Half done still counts. Pause without guilt. Begin anyway. There's like a lot on here. I'm not going to read the whole page, but it's really, really pretty. And it's a great way to go ahead and just grab one of those little strip stickers and put it in your planner. And then that way, you have something inspiring there for you for each day. So that is Gentle Focus. And like I said, it does come with it's a planner, but it is undated. It is for 90 days. You have like a monthly focus in there, and then you have daily pages in there, and you have like a recap at the end of each month. So it's a beautiful journal. Once I get it in, I will be sure to share that with you. And there is also a PET tape for those of you that just really want all of the decorative elements, maybe, and maybe you don't want all of the functional items that you get in the sticker book. But that's the collection. It's 3 pieces, and I'm really, really excited about it. I think that this is a beautiful collection, something different that Rongrong has brought us. And this is her subscription. This is my comeback era. This is the monthly planning kit for August. It does come with 3 pieces. So we have the 19-page hand illustrated premium sticker kit here. There is a pen, and this month is this really soft touch pen. It is a click pen. It is a gel pen. I've really enjoyed using these. They are really nice, and there is a PET in here. This is, I feel like, something that a lot of people have been requesting, because if you are maybe an older student or if you are an adult returning to school, this will be perfect for you. It's a great way to also encourage you to take that step, right? Go and sign up for the class and do the things. I did return back to school as a in my 30s to go ahead and finish my degree because I had not finished it. So I definitely encourage you to do that. And you are never too old to learn things. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the 5 functional sheets, which are our paper. So we have some box illustrations here. There's some functional boxes, and then there are some decorative like strips in here. And I'm loving the colors. It's a soft color palette. I really like this, like it's like a blue green, and then that like really soft pink. Very pretty. Some patterns in here. We have some functional headings: today, work goals, to do, personal appointments, and then there are some blank ones there and some bullet point dots. There's the days of the week. There are 5 sets in here with 2 sets of numbers, so you have plenty to set up for a monthly layouts and then for your weekly layouts, and then some little bullet point dots here. There is a page of alpha stickers, so there are 3 sets on here in 3 different colors. This is a Kiss Cuts sticker on the side, and this is still paper. So that's the last one for paper. Now we have 4 clear decorative sheets. So pretty. So we've got a lot of quotes in here, balancing it all one day at a time. Focused on the future. This is cute. It says notes, and this one says studying for a better tomorrow. And then we have like girls here studying, and then all of the like back to school or office setting type of thing. So this could also definitely be used for like your office setting. Progress, not perfection. The laptop, all of the little elements, the torn paper, the glasses. Knowledge has no age limit. Absolutely. Absolutely. I love it. We've got the little craft card here, and all of the different girls at every age, going back to school, taking courses, learning new things, investing in my future, keep going. The next 2 pages we have here, these are washi strips. So this is on washi paper, and they are all different patterns on here, and you can pull those off like that. So they're already cut for you. Of course, you could tear them, cut them down smaller if you like. This one says small steps create big success. Here we have the girls on here. Lots of cute patterns to work with. Now we have some vellum to look at, and I'm actually going to grab the back page here of my kit. I love this collage. I am going places, future focused. So pretty. And this one's another one of my favorites. You got this. Keep going. Keep growing. I really like these collage ones because you can really cut out all of the little pieces that like you just want to work with. And then there's some patterns in here, of course, to help for just like layering and, kind of trimming them, cutting them, tearing them, punching them out, do lots of different things. I use the vellum the same way that I use like the journaling papers, which is what I have to share with you next here, are for journaling papers. We have this other like collage here. This is really cute, like the coffee stain on there. And look at her with her little cap. So cute. We've got this floral print and another collage, dreams unfolding, invest in your future. And then we have like this little like neutral checker. All right, so that is everything that comes in the kit, the 19 pages. And then there's the PET that accompanies that. So we're going to see more of the decorative elements that we saw in the kits, but we get like more of them here. We've got like this little piece of paper. We have the different girls in here. Quotes are in here. And this gets pretty long before it starts to repeat. And the girls are just kind of like placed in different angles, so that way we have some like taller girls in here, full illustration, and they're not cut off or anything like that. My comeback era t-shirt, like a boss, balancing it all one day at a time. I like that we have like different size quotes in here, and again, different size elements. So pretty. We've got our books, the glow, pencils, all of the elements, the backpack. There's like little tacks in here. Got some really comfy clothes, the coffee, of course, focused on the future, our desk, progress, not perfection. We've got our group of girls, get it done, studying for a better tomorrow. This girl's in the library. Knowledge has no age limit. And then here we are is where it started. So it's a really long strip before it starts to repeat. And there are 3 of these long strips that I just shared with you here on this roll. So you get 3 of these. All right, so this is everything that is being released in Rongrong's July release. We have the Gentle Focus collection, which consists of 3 pieces. There is the journal, it's really an undated planner, but it's a daily planner, and it is good for 90 days, and it does come in an A5 size. It's really, really pretty. Once I receive it, I'll be sure to share it with you. It may not be in like a long format video, but in a short video here on YouTube and definitely on Instagram. And then it does also come with a PET tape as well. So it's a 3-piece collection. You can buy them individually, or you could buy them as a bundle, and you can definitely use my discount code. It's a wonderful plan, and that will save you 10% off, and that's on like any of her regular release items. The subscription clubs, that is already at a discounted price when you sign up for a subscription, so you would be getting that discount. You would not be able to use my 10% savings on a subscription. However, if you purchase just one of the kits, then you can definitely use my discount code. But the subscription is really the best way to go. Of course, it's all budget dependent, right, of what we pick out. So I hope that you enjoyed this video of me sharing all of these items with you. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell, because I will be showcasing how I use these items. I am not quite sure which one I want to play with first. Maybe this one. I'm really feeling this one. I do have my affiliate link down below. Greatly appreciate if you are signing up for the subscription, or if you're making any purchases at all, if you please consider using my affiliate link. Thank you so much to those of you that have already used it. I know many of you have, so thank you so much. And thank you for thinking about using it on your next purchase. And drop me a comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of both of these, the monthly kits of the Gentle Focus collection? Super, super excited about both of them. Would love to get your feedback. As I mentioned early on, I am part of Rongrong's design team, so I love your feedback, taking that and returning and sharing that with Rongrong, and we can use that on the things that we are designing for next year. Yep, that's how we roll. We're already designing things for next year, including the subscription kits and different things that we will be maybe keeping the same, maybe changing, all based on your feedback. So thank you so much for taking the time for all of the feedback that you have given us. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. If you watch this all the way through till the end, leave me a pink flower emoji. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.